This is the Bosch T1B miter saw stand. Here's a full view of the stand already assembled. The stand comes in at about 45 pounds. It was very easy to assemble, and we keep this in our garage with a miter saw mounted on it since we are always working on some kind of project. But alternatively, you could remove your miter saw and fold up the stand for storage if your project is completed. The stand has been extremely stable and the legs are very sturdy even with the miter saw on it all the time. It has adjustable arms from 8.25 feet to 16.5 feet and is easy enough to use the knobs to adjust according to the length of the wood pieces you need to cut. Adjustments can be made on both the left and right sides. And then once you're happy with the extension, you can set it for multiple cuts. Here we're actually getting ready to do a cut for a piece of wood that will be installed to a door frame we are building. We are very happy with the miter saw stand, and the one time we needed to bring it over to a friend's house, it was easy to fold it up and throw it into the trunk with the back of the car seats down.